What happened? Who are you?
I don't know. I don't remember my own name.
Me neither. Looks like you and I were at the same costume party.
Why is that flashing?
And your earrings, too. We must shop at the same jewelry store.
Are we supposed to know each other?
I'd be surprised if we weren't.
There are giant bugs! Mice! Bug mice!
Wow, I am starving right now.
Hi there. What are you exactly? Genies like the one in the lamp?
If I'm a genie, where's my lamp? Besides, where am I? And who are you?
What was that thing doing in my earring?
I'm not a thing. Huh? I don't know what I am. But I do know that I'm very hungry.
Aw, poor little no thing.
Okay, everyone. We're gonna keep our cool here. We've all lost our memories and we don't know why, but we'll find out.
What is it this time? We can't stay here.
Couldn't agree more.
Perhaps we should help them?
Well, I'm not going anywhere until I know what smells so good in that boy's shirt. We seem to be exceptional beings, unlike them.
Thank you.
Let's get out of here. The exit is blocked.
We're gonna have to find another way out. Fast!
Over there.
Okay, we're stuck in a building with amnesia, being chased by a thing that's obviously got it in for us big time.
Not to mention the two strange creatures who magically appeared when our costumes disappeared.
Excuse me, but the creatures are hungry. Would you mind opening up your shirt to see what smells so good?
Camembert?
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
Will this do?
Thank you.
Marinette! My name is Marinette Dupin Chang.
Pleased to meet you, Marinette. Adrian Agrest.
Super nice to meet you too, Adrian. Of course! We still got our phones!
Brilliant.